Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your emails on Outlook. Outlook is very simple to use. All you basically need to do is know that all your emails will come in through your inbox. You can sort it by all your emails, or if you have any unread. You can organize your emails into different folders. Simply right click, for example, on inbox, click on new folder. And then from here, let's say, as you can see, I get some emails from, for example, from YouTube or Reddit, Patreon, etc. So let's say if I wanted to organize my YouTube emails into a YouTube folder. Now you can see I've created an inbox with a folder called YouTube. And then all I need to do is grab on an email and drag it over. And then from here, we can see that it's now dragged into the YouTube folder. Let's say you have an unread email. As you can see here, I have one. I can go to the unread section and see it there. If you want to mark it as read, make sure to have it open and then you can click away for it to then disappear. Or you can simply click here on the left for it to be read or unread. If you also have a lot of emails that are unread, you can simply right click on the inbox or wherever it is and click on mark all as read, and that will take away any notifications showing that you have unread emails. If you want to move multiple different emails, for example, to a different folder or to a different location, simply hold Control and then left click on the emails you would like, or hold Shift and go up to where you would like all the emails to be copied to, and then simply grab on them and drag them over to whatever folder you'd like. If you have deleted some emails, they will still be on your Outlook. In order to permanently delete your emails, go to deleted items. And from here, you'll see any emails that you have previously deleted. Simply click on the delete item, or you can right click on deleted items and then click empty folder. And that's basically how to manage all of your emails on Outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.